Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Marshall Minor Free with any Android smartphone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to input the left and the right earbud inside this charging case, then open this cover and next you have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front turns blue and starts blinking. Right now you can release that button, keep that case open and simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, click to pair new device, and now you have to select Minor Free from available devices list, accept the pairing, as you can see we are successfully connected, and you can also plug this device, this earbuds, to the Marshall application. So we have to go to the Play Store and get that Marshall Bluetooth app. In my case, unfortunately, I cannot connect with them, but you can tell me in the comment how it works in your case. So all you have to do is just to click to add the new device. Right now it is searching for our Marshall earbuds. And as you can see, it just keep searching and searching and nothing is happening. I just try to reset these headphones by using this button at the bottom, but it still doesn't fix my issue. You can click to can't see my device and take a look for the list of all available devices. As you can see, the Minor Free appears right here, but unfortunately I cannot do anything. So I can keep tapping right here. There's also the second screen that comes. I can tap to add, but it's still searching for them even when I'm connected by the standard Bluetooth settings. So yeah, that's the way how we can connect them to the standard Bluetooth settings, and you can just let me know in the comment if the application is working in your case, because in mine, as you can see, it's not working, unfortunately. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.